Hey folks, Brad here from Heinz Stormwater team. I'm at another installation, this time in just north of Christchurch in Belfast. We're at St John's Road subdivision, residential subdivision, and we're installing here two Wastops for this site. Excellent work being carried out behind me with the team at Rooney. Earth moving. So the Wastops are a inline check valve. To basically, the reason for them in this installation is the groundwater is actually quite high. You can see in Christchurch our groundwater's, see it bubbling up right here. So they've got the pumps going during the installation. So the groundwater in this discharge from the subdivision is expected to be sort of around this height. So you can see in the gravels here, you can see that's the existing groundwater, so it's quite high. So the reason for the Wastop as a solution here is to allow for stormwater to be discharged from the subdivision during rainfall, obviously, but still be discharged under a tailwater scenario or when there's sort of backwater. So the Wastop valve is a stainless steel structure which sleeves on the inside of the in this case a twin barrel outfall. So inside there is a rubber valve which will allow for water to pass through, even though there might be a tailwater. Water level would be above the outlet, so it prevents any water ingress up the pipeline. I've got Dave Nichols with me from High Grade, part of our Heinz business. Dave was instrumental in the installation, the design, along with James Logan in our High Grade team. Knows a bit more about the Wastops than myself. Dave, the Wastop is essentially a inline check valve of sorts.
That's correct.
It's a flow device. So,
that's right. Yep.
Do you know why the Wastop was used in this installation, in this instance?
I think the main reason is because of the fact that it's got the rubber membrane in there which works under pressure.
Yeah.
And then we'll put your seal back up again. So it suits this particular environment and this application. But I must say that this particular Wastop, there was extensive design work carried out by James and Wipro in Sweden where they made to suit this application.
Yeah.
So that's part of the Wastop ethos, is that they have the ability to design what's required.
So
it's definitely great. This took 2 years. This one.
2 years design. So Calibre Consulting did the design.
Riley Consultants.
Sorry, Riley Consultants. Yeah. In unison with Wipro High Grade. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
So a very unique product. I mean, the actual concept of it is actually quite simplistic, but it just works so well in comparison to other comparable products.
Yeah, like the duckbill,
or
traditional
flat
gate. So this is sort of an alternative to a flat gate.
Low maintenance product.
Yeah.
And a product that had a long life.
Yeah.
Because of the materials used being stainless and rubber.
So flat valves have a lot of sort of issues with their mechanical valve, but there's a lot of issues around back pressure and just maintenance. So
these are products that are sold all around the world. Certainly a lot of them now in New Zealand, and they've all been very successful and proving to be able to go the distance, which is the other part of it, without ongoing maintenance. So,
all right, well, we'll leave it there, but that's a quick introduction to the Wastop. Thanks, Dave, for your input. We'll get back to supervising the install. Looks to be going pretty well. Cheers, guys.